Okay, how are you today? Look like a nice little break, 15, 20 minutes. Let's see. Did we finish chapter what? That's supposed to be on chapter 12 or 13. Oh. Okay. Finish chapter 12. Yeah. We finished chapter 12. Yeah. So we need chapter 13. Chapter 13, configure a basic wireless LAN on the WLS. Let's see. Oh, bro. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, so let's see. I would like to see this one. I like to configure this one here. Now they have some configuration on field one, but I don't have this model in my Cisco 504 controller, which is give you some kind of GUI, like this one here, which is nice. I'm sure. I mean, packet traces are very, very limited when it comes to wireless. I think I bought a controller which is at school, but I don't have it. Do they have the what model is this one? Anyway, so what we're gonna do, we can, I'm gonna have this particular model. This is like the controller, and now they have even web controller, so you can access to the web. They have a lot of management you can do on the web instead of doing it here. So what we're gonna do is we need to do this one here. I'd like to do. Now you can do remote side, wireless LAN configuration. You can configure basic wireless LAN on the wireless controller and use authentication server. So instead of talking about it, we like to do it. We like to do that. So they have some kind of topology. Where's the topology? Yeah, this is on your looks like Linksys router. You can do NAT. NAT basically network address translation, so you can go between private to public. So you need to create a pool of public addresses, and you need to create access lists to say, okay, which private address we can translate. So it's like a lot of process. But in the Linksys router, it's easy done because you don't have to go through all this configuration. But in the Cisco router, did we cover NAT in this course? Maybe not.
It's next class.
Next class? The next chapter, you mean? Let's see. Oh, we consider okay. Because we covered it for the old subscription. So, well, let's see. Let's see if we can do it. Let's go to home router first. Router wireless. Well, I mean, in the real situation, you don't have to worry about this part because it's handled automatically. Why? Because the 192.168.0.1, that's already a private address. So when you connect to your internet right here, okay, so you can put static. This is the IP address you get from your ISP. So this address will be translated automatically. And let's see if you have an options here. Do you have an options for NAT on here? Status. And actually also sometimes you can NAT from private to private. Let's see, basic setup. Yeah, filter internet NAT restriction. This is like for port forwarding. If you have a server and you want to, or a machine you want to access from the internet, you port forwarding because usually your private machine, your machine at home, for example, or your office has a private address. So once you hit the router will forward the traffic to the private machine. But I'm not gonna. This is impractical anyway to do that on us. We do it on the server. No, sorry, Cisco's router. But let's see. I'm trying to find a place where you can do that. Anyway, so what we like to do, let's do this. And since we talk about controller, so we need to go and select W.C as the controller. Okay, and we need, usually the controller will be connected to a switch in your network. Let's say this is your data center here. And connect this guy here to, for example, one. This goes to this wireless controller. And let's say in your network you have a server, which is right here. Let's see. And from here, we need to create some kind of address for this guy here. There we go, 192.168. Oops, unlock key. 192.168.10.10. Router 192.168. Send that word. So let's go to services and do this one as service. 192.168.10.1. 8.8.8.8. 20 and save. All right. Okay, so that's my DHCP server. Now we need to create some access point. So according to your diagram, right here, I don't know which one is AP1. What kind? Let's say the access point is controlled base, AP as opposed to autonomous. So basically, we need to select an access point that will be managed. So required no initial configuration is often called lightweight access point, LAP. So LAP uses a lightweight access point protocol to communicate with the wireless controller. So we need to go to the packet tracer and we need to select one of these. We call it what? Lightweight. Which one is that? What do you think? Is that LAPPT, like this one here? Double check. Lightweight AP, yeah. Lightweight access point. So let's go for that one. Lightweight access point. What's a PT? What's AP protocol? We have 3720. Yeah, oh, this is the 3504 they talk about. So this one here, let's see. And yeah, okay. So let's stick with the other one. Let's see. Now, let's try this one here for right now. Let's see if this is going to work. This is LAP, lightweight protocol access point. So we need to connect this one to the switch. And gigabit to gigabit, which is fine. Let's see. Oh, this one getting better on. So this is on. Okay. The next step, we need to configure this particular access point. So we are in subnet. We're using 192.168.10.0/04. So at this point, we need to configure this guy. The setting, wireless. Okay, select the wireless LAN. Name. Wireless LAN name. Okay, let's see. Name. LAN 1. The VLAN 1. We need to create SSD. Let's say my W. Wireless. Authentication, they prefer to use WAP2. And we need a radius server settings. IP address 192.168.10.10. Share secret is what? What's share secret? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cisco, how about that? And we need to save. Now, before we do that, we need to go back to the server and we need to configure that as a radius server. So you go here and you have the type is radius. Okay, so you need to put the service on. Client name, I don't know, it's client name. Client name. Oh, we need to know the client name. What's the client? Let's see, who's the client name? Okay, so this is the wireless. Well, let me first do without the servers. So then we'll do the other one next. We can do this one here. Okay, so share key. So use 1, 2, 3, 4. Cisco. Let's see if that works first. We'll take it one step at a time. Now we need to have the AP groups. I was supposed to see over here my access point supposed to be added automatically. Supposed to see the MAC address of each one of them. Let's see. First of all, the management tool doesn't need that. Let's see here. Wireless address. Okay, so we need the wireless address controller. 192.168. What? 10.254. Let's see, say. Okay, so you have to have a new server. I already have one, so. Wireless control. So where is the wireless control? I think we need to have wireless. I need an IP address for the, not the radius, for the wireless controller. So, setting here, wireless controller 0. need to call it WLC1. WLC1, then we'll go next. This is the shared key. This is for the server. I don't need it. Let's see. Default group. This is the default group. Okay, that's fine. Why is not seeing it? Interface. This will be management. IP configuration. That's one. 192.168.10.254 and subnet masks. The gateway 192.168.10.1. You're going to say 38. You go back to the groups. Okay, so I did find it. See that? That's my access point here. Let's find it. Now, let's see if we can put another access point. We go to this one here and we select the same kind. Put it on this side and connect it to same switch. Or a different switch, that's matter as long as it's the same network. Now, if this is like, for example, out over Ethernet switch, then it can give power to the access point. But since it's not, I think I need to provide power to it. And now it's going to work. So now I'm going to see the second access point. Okay, go back over here and get to management. Okay, IP group. Give it a few seconds if you want. Okay. Okay, so now it gets an IP address. So once it gets an IP address, it's supposed to be online. Let's see. You go to the management, you can go to IP group and so on. Okay, so now the second IP is it's online. See? So basically, to have an access point controller is very, very, very helpful because you don't want to do any, you don't need to go and configure every access point by itself. And that's how we used to do it a long time ago. It used to be pain in the neck. You have like 20 or 50 access points, you have to configure each one of them. With the controller, you don't have to worry about it. So now, how are we going to create some kind of wireless environment? Let's put another one. Let's see if we go to over here and have another switch. Let's say this is on the third floor or wherever. And let's see, this is connected to, I see the net. Now I need to connect to different IPs in there, so we need to create a lightweight access point, LAPPT, which is what? Okay, right here. But this time I'm going to connect it to this switch. So we go here and connect this port, and I need to power it because I don't have power over Ethernet. Takes a few seconds. Supposed to get an IP address from the server. Now, of course, you can change the display name. You can say, all right, that's my radio. Get you the controller. The controller's supposed to see it now because it has a key. Let's see. Okay, second floor AP. See that? And that's the MAC address for it. So now let's see if, well, let's see what's happening here. So bring the laptop. Where's the laptop? Laptop, right here. And put one here and one here. Let's put this laptop on wireless. What's going to happen? Okay. So we need to go to put it off first and move this one, put this one back in. And bring it back on. Okay, and same thing with this guy here. You go down here, put it off, and take this card out, put this one back in. Okay, so now we need to go and connect. Connect. Oh my God, they have my wireless. I have 3 of them. Okay, so you have, I don't know which one's first. This is first one. So let's see. Okay, this is the third one I put, right? Let's see. So I might this guy connect with this guy here. Let's see. I was going to ask you for the shared key. We said what? Oh, forgot the shared key. You remember the shared key we put? Is that Cisco 1234? I think. That capital C?
Ours backwards.
What? 34 Cisco?
Yeah, it's either one of those two.
1, 2, 3, 4. Cisco. Yep. I'll connect with this guy here. Which is cool. How about this guy here? Let's see. Oh, it's power. That's why I was expecting to connect to this, but it's connected to that one. But because that power is what you say. Oh yeah, it's power. Okay, let's
The
see.
laptops powered on.
On the laptop, you're right. Okay, so now when you connect, okay, stop. This one here, you connect. Of course, you can connect different, you can do different, what do you call it? SSID. So over here, you go to, let's say, what's one? Share key, put a share key, what?
1, 2, 3, 4 Cisco.
1, 2, 3, 4, Cisco. Okay. All right, so connected to this. Now, can this laptop talk to the second floor? So This is, of course, because if this guy has an IP, that means they can see each other. So let's see. Yep. Let's see. Let's address. Oh, yes. Not working. Why? Why? Did we put the service on the DHCP server? Yeah. Today is not our lucky day. That's that problem. It's a deal. Let's see this guy here. Oh, stop. Okay. I guess I need to go set up a DHCP server on this one. Any wireless. Let's see if that works. Yes, server right here. If I put the service here, we can say full name, wireless. Full. Makes sense. Report gateway 192.168.10.1. DNS 4.4.4.4. Start an IP address 192.168.10.50. Subnet mask 255, 255, 255.0. Maximum number of users, that's cool. It's 50. FTP server, I don't have it, blah, 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 save. This we first select the row. Wait, what is it? Did I miss something? Add, yeah. Okay, so we add it and save it, that's fine. No, that's already added. Now we can go to the group right here, that's fine, all up. Now, supposed to get an IP address from the pool. See, this is gonna work this time. Something fishy. Why? Why is that working?
Power cycle, you access points.
What is it?
Power cycle, you access points. So basically, just turn them off and then turn them back on again.
Maybe let's see. Let's see. That makes a difference. Let's see, I guess.
Right there. Physical. Powered off. Or add it back again.
There we go. Back on. Well, look at this. This jumped all the way over here because this is not available. Is that what? Let's see. Yeah, this is available. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This is 10. Okay, this guy is still getting IP from the server right here. Um, that's why I don't like this. SCP server, it's right here. WCF management, which is 7268. I don't know. Did anybody have the same topologies working?
I don't on yet.
It's supposed to get an IP address from the server. Now, it's not communicating with the server. I mean, they're wireless. Let me see right here, connect. We need to select, okay. Now, we're going to ask you for key. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, go. Press connect. Now this is back to this one here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to the desktop. I don't understand why it's not connected. Because the AP is getting IP address from the PHP server. Let's see what IP address this guy.
Do we have a default gateway set up on the switch?
You don't need a gateway because you're on the same subnet. It's a layer 2. That's why you don't need to. Let's see this. Let's see if I change it. Let's see. So we named this one. Left. Now it's cool. This is available. Okay. Now it's getting, but it's getting the IP address from here. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
And it'll be your controller.
Yeah. So the controller is not issuing IP. Wireless LAN 1. You know what? I think, IP groups. Could be wrong with the controller. I mean, it's everything looks like it's okay. See this one here, okay. Management, it's okay. How about the AP? Now, we have one AP is not, it's not listed yet. We call it left APs. Let's see. What's there? This is still not listed. Let's see if it gets an IP. Yeah, it gets an IP. I call it left AP. So let's see over here. Under management. IP groups. Oh, this is the IP groups. It's the default.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we call it different names, remember? Huh? Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. New one. New group. Let's say I will name it. Uh, and we need to make the second floor this one. It's part of group one. Wireless, East Wireless Lane. Multiple. Okay, say. Let's see that one. A wireless. This is works, but they're getting the IP from the wireless controller. I don't know why. Static here, go back here, and see if this one from. No. So it looks like something to do with the controller. Let's see why. Let me see if I have a different wireless. AP, let me change different model. We'll see if that something to do with this one here. This one. Point. Oh, this is worse. There's a need power. And let's see. Name. How about the new AP? Auto. Okay, so let's see if this is okay, SSID, we need to go out. Let's see, what we call the SSID? Fires. I shouldn't really, depends on what group I put. Interface setting. Yeah, this is not part of the lightweight, so it's not going to be. Yeah, access point view. Okay, so this picks up a different. Let's see if we can see the in that group. I can see it in the group. So, and the reason why we cannot see it in the group, let's see, put all this in the group. Maybe that's. Let's see if this is going to work. Static. PCP. Oh, how it's working. See that? Because I put them in a new group. So let's see this guy here. Okay, so we got now it's getting the IP address from the controller, but it's not connecting to this. Let's say why is going to okay now that is the new one, which is good. So if this is good, so let's see if this one has IP address now from the controller. Oh well. For some reason, I'm not communicating with this one here. Let's see why. Yeah. Something to do in the settings here to allow it to communicate with the TCP server. So the question is, this doesn't make sense. How I can associate with the AP without pulling an IP address? It's the laptop and the AP has to be on the same IP address. So why? Let's see. Oh, let's see. Okay. Oh, now we have so many of them because we have different groups. Let's see. That goes. Now it's connected to the new AP, which is digital desktop. Now it's working. Look at this. Now it's getting an IP address from the right one. See that? That's weird. I didn't change anything, and it's connected now. How about this guy here? I guess I need to disable it. Okay. All right. So we need to go back to this one here. Connect. I don't know what I select. Want to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cisco. Next. Ah, that's weird. That's really weird. So this one here, it gets the right address from this DHCP server. And these, they're not. So let's, if I change this, if I change this IP, this model, are we gonna get an IP address? Let's see. I put new APT, APT. So this guy here. Connected to the switch. 0. Duration, let's say second floor. All right. Let me give it a bit. Okay, setting, ports, duplex, auto, and this guy see it now. Let's see. It's not. Does not see it. Why does not see it? Alrighty. Let's see. Uh, UAP. So the UAP did not list it either. Let's see. Yeah, it's not listed. Let's see. If we go to group, default group, yeah. And all online, but it's not listed. The other one is not listed. And the reason why it's not listed because it does not have the light um, protocol, lightweight protocol. It's supposed to, in order to communicate with the wireless controller, it has to be LFP2. So, but the question is, why am I going to get in the static address? Why it's not, doesn't make sense. This one getting it. This one gets the right one. This one does not. So maybe we need to disable this guy here and get in the right one. Let's see. Yeah, let's get it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this guy here. And disconnect. Connect. Let me see this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cisco. I think something to do with the packet tracer, not with. Okay, so it's connected. Look at this. Now it's working. 192 and 68.1. Let me see this again. No, it's not. Still. Yeah, I know it's not on this one. Something to do with the tracer. Anyway, let's see. How much time we have? How much? So tomorrow I'm going to go over this one here. So see if we can do at least one of the lab. Let's see. I think we have a lab. I need to see what model AP they use, so we can see that. Maybe we can do this because they have routers, but over here they use only one AP. But I mean, you get the idea about this one here. But we'll see. I was hoping we can get something like this. Log into. Let's see. Let's see. This is another thing we need to do. What is the IP address for this one? before. Let me go here, desktop, and see if I can remote to 192.168.10.254. Ah, server resetting. Nope, doesn't have GUI. I was trying to connect to the server, to the controller. Yeah, but it's not. So anyway, I'm gonna stop right here, and tomorrow we'll go over chapter what? 15, 14, 15. Sorry, 15. So tomorrow's Friday. Looks like we might have a test on Monday. Okay. Any question? Question, guys?
No, sir.
But in the time being, please do this one here than I do, and this one here. Try to configure this one here on your own. And if it works with you, let me know. I'll give you, if you work it out, I'll give you 15 points about that. Sounds good?
Done. Done.
Done?
Yeah.
They give you incentive, huh? So if you make it to work, I mean, it worked with me yesterday, now it doesn't work, so it's kind of weird. Let's see, I'm gonna have it somewhere here. Let's see what I did yesterday on, so what? Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you. I'll have a class in about a few minutes, so I'm taking a small break. But we'll resume on tomorrow. Let's see.
Tomorrow.
I'm going to show you something here. Let's see. Oh, let's see this guy here. Yeah. I practice. This is mine yesterday, so all this one is connected, given the right IP address. This is 192.168.1.21, and this one is 142. So all they communicate. I don't know why this one doesn't work. This is 23. I don't know. We'll fool with it tomorrow. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Any questions?
All right. Sounds good there. Thank you.
All right.